Is your downspout rain gutters all falling down? They make these huge nails. They're nice and all, but it's only 3/4 inch plywood behind here. It don't hold a doggone thing. Gotta get you some brackets that really do something. These kind of tuck underneath the lip there, and then you pop this end over the other side. And watch out for the honeybees. They're looking for some moss. And you whack this on. Yeah, we'll use the old nail as a guide. All right, that'll hold it temporarily while we get our drill out and send her home. And the more you crank, the more this lifts up. So it's kind of adjustable. As this bends and deforms, it kind of pulls it up and makes it level. Another thing that pulls these things down is the snow and ice in the winter. It gets heavy up here. So this is almost like a seasonal thing with me. Whoops, didn't get that one quite right. Gotta tuck it in first. See the little hook goes underneath there, and then you push it down. Over the back side. Now we can screw it in. Wife, I got it all done.